Hi friends, let's create this radial wipe text effect and let us get right into it. As usual, I prepared a text. I'm going to the effects library, and in the effects panel we go to the toolbox video transitions, and in the wipe department I'm going for the radial wipe. I drag it here to the beginning of our clip, better said to the beginning of our text. We drag it out a bit and let's see what it brings us. I think the shorter version was just good. What I think is that it would be better to have a little bit of a feather in it and turn on the border. So let's have a look what that looks like. You see that the border is very sensitive when it comes to the feather. Let's uncheck the feather and look what the border looks like. This is what it looks like unfeathered. This is not what I'm going for. I don't know if you are going for that. What I like is that it doesn't have the sharp edges like we see now. I like them more soft. So I go with the softness of the feather to 30, something around 30. I will ease out. I explained in the last two videos why we choose for ease out at the beginning and ease in at the end. I also had a video on easing. What I'm doing now is, when I'm happy with that, I click on the radial wipe, hold the Alt key on the keyboard pressed, and then I mouse drag the transition to the end of our text, where I then make an ease in. And then the entire thing looks this way. Let's have a look in full screen. Here you go. I hope you have fun with that and with the rest of this playlist. Yeah, have a great day ahead and goodbye.